Hello everyone, welcome to Tech World with MJ. This is Murari. So hope you guys are doing well. This is the part 1 of .NET 7 tutorial. So in this session, I will briefly explain about the version, .NET versioning and its support. So currently we have .NET 7 in the market as a latest version, and previously we have .NET 6.0 which was LTS support, and .NET 7 is a STS support. Let's come on the Microsoft official website where I will explain you much about. So currently we have .NET 7 which was released at 8 November 2022, but their end date is not fixed yet, and .NET 6.0 which was released at 9 November 2021, and their support ending date is 12 November 2024. Okay, and then in the other previous version I will not explain much about. So here you can see some version have the LTS support and some version doesn't. So what is the difference between LTS and the STS support? So Microsoft already explained about that. So here if you will click on this particular link, so here is the details about LTS and STS support. So first of all, need to know about what is the LTS. So LTS stands for long-term support. So it means whatever version is released under LTS support will be supported for at least 3 years. Okay, and whatever version which is released under the STS support will be supported for 6 months. So each release happened in between 12 months. So the total support on the STS version will be 12 plus 6 months equal to 18th month. Okay, so previously STS release were previously known as current release. Okay, so here you will see currently we have the two active versions in the market. The first is .NET 7 and their end of support will be May 2024. So currently you can calculate the months, so you will find that it should be not more than 18 months. But here we have .NET 6 which was released at November 8 2021, and their support will be November 12 2024. So it means it will support for 3 years. So it is a long-term support. It is called a long-term support. So currently we have different previous versions. So for the more information about that, you can go and understand about their previous release if you want for your knowledge. Okay, but currently we will focus on these two, .NET 7 and .NET 6. So here you already know about the LTS and STS. This is a very frequently asked question in the interviews. So for your understanding, you must need to know about the LTS and STS support. So here is some previous and past and future planning about their version and release. So here you can see .NET 5 was released in November 2020, which was not a LTS support, it was a STS support. Okay, and after that we have .NET 6. So it was released in November 2021, and here you can see the support will be till 2024. So this is comes under the LTS support. Okay, so here we have .NET 7 as well, but here you can see .NET 7 is the current version in the market in terms of .NET versioning, but their support is limited, so it is comes under the STS support. And Microsoft is planning to release their .NET 8 and .NET 9 version in the future. So it is not enough. So once .NET 7 will be finished, then we might need to know about that in future, that .NET 8 will be LTS or not. So we'll see in the future, but the Microsoft has planned about their release for .NET 8 at November 2023, and the next version called .NET 9 is at November 2024. So might be possible .NET 8 should come under the STS support, because there's a limited time periods which is no, .NET 8 can be a long-term support, but .NET 9 can be. This is our as per my understanding. So it is depend on that Microsoft versioning and support. So everything here you can see on that page in detail. So if you want to know about that, then you can go and check out this particular page. I will add this link in the description below. Okay. So the purpose of this session was just to be aware about the past and future releases of .NET. So if you feel this video looks helpful to you, then please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the future updates. And in the next session, I will explain about how you can start development with the .NET 7. For that, what prerequisites are required, what software is required in your system. So I will explain the everything end to end in the next session. So thank you.